Now, we have some missing number or missing fraction addition and subtraction problems. Now, this first problem is a missing number addition, and whenever we have a missing number addition, we always use subtraction to find the missing number. So, we need to work out 5/6 minus 2/5 to find our missing fraction. But to subtract fractions, we need the denominators to be the same. 30 is in both the 6 and the 5 times tables, so we can find equivalent fractions to 5/6 and 2/5 with a denominator of 30. 6 times 5 is 30, 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 6 is 30, and 2 times 6 is 12. So instead of 5/6, we can write 25 over 30, and instead of subtracting 2/5, we can subtract 12 over 30. Now when we're subtracting, the denominator stays the same. 25 minus 12 is 13, so our missing fraction is 13 over 30. Now we have a missing number subtraction problem, but it's the second number in the subtraction that's missing, so we still use subtraction to find our answer. We need to work out 1/3 minus 1/8, and that will tell us our missing fraction. But to subtract fractions, we need the denominators to be the same. 24 is in the 3 and the 8 times tables, so let's find our equivalent fractions. 3 times 8 is 24, 1 times 8 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24, 1 times 3 is 3. So instead of 1/3, we can write 8 over 24, and instead of subtracting 1/8, we can subtract 3 over 24. We keep the denominator the same, and 8 minus 3 is 5, so our missing fraction is 5 over 24. Now, something minus 2/7 equals 1/8. So here, because it's the first number of our subtraction that's missing, we use the inverse operation. We use addition to find our answer, because remember, subtraction problems can be read backwards as addition problems. So if we work out 1/8 plus 2/7, we'll find our missing number. Now the denominators need to be the same, and 56 is in both the 8 and the 7 times tables, so let's find our equivalent fractions. 8 times 7 is 56, 1 times 7 is 7, 7 times 8 is 56, 2 times 8 is 16. So instead of 1/8, we can write 7 over 56, and instead of adding 2/7, we can add 16 over 56. The denominator stays the same in our answer, and 7 plus 16 is 23. So our answer is 23 over 56. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.